up guys, Jordan here. I've been drumming now for 18 years, which is over half my life, and I'm currently on drumming duties for Seething Akira. So the sticks I use are a mixture of the 5Bs and the 5BRs. Now what I love about the 5BRs in particular is the extra length. So I'm quite a hard hitter and I put a lot of energy into my playing, and I love the weight of these sticks out of everything. So I find when I'm playing live, I don't have to exert so much energy in hitting things. Like some of the weight of the sticks does a lot of the legwork for me. Now I've used a lot of sticks in the past, but none of them have come close to the durability of Collision. So a lot of my previous sticks I'd use would wear down really quickly, whereas these I can play for ages and they just last. And they're really good quality wood. I love the tips on them, they're really good. And the song I'm going to be playing is Punishment Instructions by my band Seething Akira from the album Nozomi.